What I'm recording is a self-locking hand winch. With the specification of your 200 pounds. It is automatically braked. And the handle is used for this reel. It can be used to wind the wire rope. It has automatic braking and automatic stop.